Assalamu alaikum. In our today's lesson, we are going to discuss some of the questions sent it by students, and I hope that this revision will helpful for you for a quick review, quick revision of your IGCSE examination. The level of this explanation of this past paper question is 1. They are easy questions, and this one is the part 1 of this level. So let's start. In this question number 20, he says that the mass of some grade 10 students was measured and recorded. Some of the data can be given to you, and he asked for construct the stem and leaf diagram to display the data. For stem and leaf diagram, you will draw a line. At one side, you will write the stem value, and here you can see 45, 56, 55. What is the smallest one? It's from 40s. So, and highest one is in 6. So what will be the stems? Here you will set the stems as 4, 5 and 6. Now this one is 45, so 4 is stem, 5 will become leaf, here you will write 5. Second one is 56, so 5 is here, you will write 6. Next one is 55, you will write comma and then write second 5. This represents for 56 and 55. Then 68, you will write 8 here. 53, you will write 3 for this. 55 again, so you will write 5. 48, so you will write 8 here. 49, you will write 9. 53, so 5 is here, you will write 3. 54, you will write 4 here. 56, 59, I write both. 56, 59. 60, 63, 67. Okay, 6 and we write 0, so it will become 6 and 0, 63, 60, and then 6, 3, 63, 6, 7, 67. Then 49, again another 9, 49, 55, 56, 58. So 55, 56 and 58, I will write leaves there. Now last one is 60, so I write another 0. And after that, it's better to arrange all of them, but it is also a completed one. Don't forget to write the key. What this key? This key represent for any of the number. You will write 4, line and 5. This thing represent for what? ये किस चीज को शो कर रही है? This will represent for 45. ये बताना जरूरी है ताकि जो इस की को देखे, he will understand that what you are doing and what this value represent for. So if you will see at this part 4 line 5, so it means 4 line 5 means it is 45. Now let's move on to the next question. Here he says Indira buys a television in a sale for 924. After sale price is this. Discount के बाद इतनी price है. This was the reduction of 12%. The discount was 12%. 12% का discount है on the original price. Calculate the original price. Original price क्या होती है? हमने अपनी explanation में बताया था. Original price means the reverse percentage. The reverse price. So the deduction is 12%. We know that the original percentage is what? Original percentage is 100%. So 100 minus 12 is equal to 88%. It means she purchased this television with 88% price. 88% price में उसको ये मिल गया 100%, यानी complete price के बजाय. Now, if it is 88%, what will be the 100%? So you can simply find with the help of reverse percentage. How you write the reverse percentage? In reverse percentage, you write 100 above, and the change percentage, that was we get it here 88 at the denominator, multiply with 924. Put this value in your calculator and you will find the answer 1050. So that was the original price of this television. You can also recheck if you will find time. You can find that is this answer is correct or not. How you can find? You can find 12% of this and then subtract from this one. You will find this price back. So इस तरह से आप अपना आंसर चेक भी कर सकते हैं. 12% निकाल लें. 12% of 1050. You will find this and then subtract this price from 1050 minus whatever the answer you get. Whenever you will subtract, you will get back 924. This is only for checking if you want. Now the next one is about estimate. Here you have to estimate. For estimation, keep one thing in your mind, that you don't have to use calculator. You have to make the numbers like this, what you can solve manually without calculator. So here let's see, 223.8 multiply 45.1. So we know that whenever we have a multiply sign, we can break the root. We can write this question in this manner. Under root 223.8 multiply under root 45.1. In case of multiply and divide, you can break the roots here like this. Now 223 cannot come out from the root. We know that 223 कोई square number नहीं है. So we have to find what is the nearest square number of 223. 223 का करीब तरीन square number क्या है? So we find that 225 is the nearest number, and 225 is the square of 15. So it will be 15, because 15 square is equal to 225. So square number से ये number बाहर आ जाएगा. Similarly, under root 45.1, 45.1 is not a square number. 45.1, what is the nearest one? या तो 36 हो सकता है या 49 हो सकता है. वो दोनों स्क्वायर नंबर्स हैं. अगर स्क्वायर नंबर हो तो वो रूट से बाहर आ जाता है. So 45, it's better to convert into 49. So if you write 49 under root 49, so you can write under root 49 is the square of 7. 49 7 का स्क्वायर आ जाएगा. Now you can multiply 15 with 7. So when you multiply 15 with 7, you will find the approximate answer there. So estimation में इस बात का ख्याल रखना आपको जरूरी है. Similarly, here you can write the answer. This is your task. Complete and write it. Remember that it is not an exact one, but it will be approximate one. उसके nearby आपको answer बता देगा. In second question, 0.45. Now what we can do, 0.45 we can convert in form of 0.5 plus 1.89. It is easy to write 2 because it will become 2.5. आसानी से बन जाएगा 2.5. 6.5 we can make it 6 minus 1.9 we can make it 2. यहाँ क्योंकि हम नंबर बढ़ा रहे हैं तो एक जगह नंबर कम करें. You can make it balance like this, that if at one side you are increasing the number, on the other side you can decrease the number like this to keep it balanced. So 6 minus 2, so you will get 4. 4 times 2.5 is very easy because the double of 2.5 is 5. 2.5 2 times, and the 4 time of 2.5 is 10. So the approximate answer, ये साइन हम बनाते हैं approximation के लिए. Approximate answer is 10. When you will simplify this part, you will find that approximate answer will be near about 10. So like this you can solve estimate question. Now the next one, a house was built in 1985 and the cost is this. It was sold in 2003 for this price. Work out 1985 price as a percentage of this price. So what is the first price? You will write at the numerator. What was that? It is 62000. And what is the price in 2003? It is 31123 4 times 0. Multiply with 100 because it says in form of percentage. If you will say in form of fraction, then don't write this 100. Only you will write the first value as a fraction form. But here is saying that the percentage, so you will write like this and then simplify as much as possible. 0 with 0 cancel, 0 with 0 cancel, 0 with 0 cancel. This 0 we can cancel with this one. And further simplification, like 31 1 times 31, and we know that 62 is the double of 32. This one is, and 20 times 10. Here you have 20 multiply 10, it will be 2 multiply 10 will be 20. So this one is 20% like this. Now next one, calculate the percentage increase Percentage increase. You must remember the formula of percentage increase. What is the formula of percentage increase? Percentage increase is equal to increase upon original price multiply with 100. So how much increase is there? How you can find? Increase you can find by 3 1 1 2 3 4 zeros minus 6 2 1 2 3. Subtract this. So you will find that how much the increase amount. When I subtract, I got 2 4 8 1 2 3 zeros. This one is the increase amount. Original amount was 6200. I will put in this formula. So it is percentage increase is equal to, this is what increase amount, this one. So I write 248000 divide with original amount. Original amount was 621230, and because it is percentage, multiply with 100. Now you can simplify. 0 with 0 cancel, 0 with this 0, 0 with this 0. Now 248 multiply by 100 and divide by 62. You will get the answer 400%.